Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about heat. Let us discuss few situations. Suppose you are exposed yourself to sun and you are sitting nearby a bonfire. What do you will feel then? Well, when you expose yourself to sun, then you will feel warm, and if you are sitting nearby a bonfire, then you will feel hot. Why do we feel hot or warm? Let us discuss few more things. This is a cup having hot milk. This is a glass having cold water, and this is a glass having normal water. How we can know that this is hot milk, this is cold water, and this is normal water? By touching it. How we can know? By touching a cup, we can know that this cup is having hot milk, and by touching glass, we can feel that this glass is having cold water, chilled water, and by touching this glass, we can feel that this glass is having normal water. So what is this cold and hot, and why we can feel, how do we feel this is hot or this is cold or this is normal? Take another example. This container is having hot water, this container normal, and in this cold water. So suppose you have just dipped your hand in this hot water container, your left hand in hot water, your right hand in cold water. Then what do you will feel in your left hand? You will feel hot, and in right hand you will feel cold. What do you will feel in right hand? Cold. Now take out your both hand, left hand from hot water and right hand from cold water. Now pour both of these hands in normal water container. After that, what do you will feel? What you will feel after pouring, dipping both hands in normal water? In left hand, you will feel a little bit cold, and in right hand, you will feel a little bit hot. Feeling, sensation of both hands will be different. Why it is so? Because the hand, left hand, earlier it was in hot water, now you are putting in normal water. So there is not much temperature difference, hotter to normal. That means there is difference, earlier in hot water, now in normal water. That means previous temperature was more and now temperature is less. And in this case, earlier it was in cold water, now in normal water. Previous temperature was less and this temperature is more. That is why there is different sensation in both of these hands, because of previous container water and now in this container. So this is what? This is, we can feel hotness or coldness due to temperature difference. Let us discuss about heat. What exactly is heat? Heat is a form of energy which causes a sensation of hotness or coldness. What is heat? It is a form of energy that gives us a sensation of hotness or coldness. Like in this, when we dipped our left hand, earlier in container A, then in B, then what we are feeling now? We are feeling a little bit cold in left hand. But in this case, when we are feeling right hand from container C to B, that means colder to normal, then what do we feel now in right hand? We will feel a little bit warm. So what is this feeling of hotness or coldness? What is this feeling of hotness or coldness? Sensation of hotness or coldness. So this sensation of hotness or coldness is due to heat. So what is heat? Heat is a form of energy which gives us a feeling, a sensation of hotness or coldness, which whether a substance is hot or a substance is cold, right? In my next video I will discuss about effect of heat and transformation of heat. Till that, just look at the screen.